everyone! So today magluluto tayo ng mais. We will just boil it and yun na. That's how easy it is. I will teach you on how to cook this corn that is really nutritious. You don't have to peel it. You have to include the corn husk and all of this. Okay? Now we need to add the water in it. Check the water, half of this pot. And we will cook it for 15 to 30 minutes. I love 30 minutes because it's really all the way cooked. So now we put it in the pot with the water in it, half of the pot. I have to cover it and on. So I can smell now that the corn is cooked, so we have to peel it and feed the worm the corn husk. Now I have to drain the water in the corn and let it set, and we have to wait until it gets cold and we have to peel it. This is the difference, that the corn still have husk, no husk when you cook, and this one have. See? Now our corn is done, so I have to peel it all. I have to peel all this and put it in. Do you know what is that?
A worm. Bug. You don't like it?
You don't like it now, so now you don't want to eat this?
No, I want to eat it. But not now.
You don't have to eat the worm. You will eat the. You know the difference, Kuya, of the corn that is from low spray, all of that. When you cook like this, it will not be as wrinkled as this. It's all like this. You see that? It's all like that. If it's really a native, or how do you call that?
Not sprayed.
Not sprayed corn that is normal, that grow. This one you can see is really wrinkled. Most of the corn that are new, when you cook it while it's green, the husk is green, it's not wrinkled as this. It's all like this. Now, as you can see, it's all wrinkled. Okay, all this. Oh, see, it seems like can we still eat this? It seems like we can think that can we just buy the corn that is in the can, but the more there are preservatives in there, so that's not good. That's why, you know what, sometimes I am thinking it's really good in the Philippines because we can grow our corn normally, not because we put something in there to grow fast. And this is what happened. See, it's very wrinkled. You can say it's healthy anymore. Even, you know what, if you cook like this way with the natural corn, grow natural corn, it's not wrinkled as this, but you see, the husk is green, but when you cook, it's like that. It's wrinkled. Look at all this here. See, all the corn that we have are wrinkled. Looks sad in here.